In this video, I'll conduct an experiment which will show that the moon emits a cold light which causes objects to lose heat, thereby violating all known laws of physics and eliminates the sun as a source of this light. Although to understand why this is, a basic understanding of light is needed. Light is electromagnetic radiation of any wavelength, whether visible or not, including infrared, gamma rays, and radio waves. A photon is defined as a particle with zero resting mass, unit spin, and with energy equal to its frequency. Electromagnetic radiation represents the energy and frequency of photons. Electromagnetic radiation is not hot or cold. Heat is merely the measurement of energy associated with the vibrations of atoms acting upon each other, much like friction. All atoms vibrate, and when their vibrational energy is roughly equal to the photon's electronic energy, that resonance will transfer electronic energy into additional vibrational energy, causing the substance to warm up. Therefore, light cannot steal your energy. It can warm you up when in resonance, such as the color black absorbing more energy and getting hotter, but otherwise it will reflect, like wearing a white t-shirt. It has no known method of making you cold, because you only absorb additional energy or you don't. The only methods of losing energy to become cold known to modern physics are conduction, requiring contact with physical objects, convection, the method heat flows through liquids, or radiation, when you yourself are emitting heat through empty space. So I'll show that the moon is not reflecting sunlight. It's self-luminous, emitting some type of light not yet known to modern science. And I'll show this by demonstrating that objects become colder in the moonlight and warmer in the shade. This will have profound impacts on the understanding of our reality. I certainly don't remember astronauts walking on a glowing orb with shadows lit up by an eerie white glow. And this would seem to indicate that the moon phases have nothing to do with the sun. And additionally, modern science has huge problems when it comes to any theory involving this new understanding of how light can behave. Let's move over to the middle material, and we'll start in the moonlit side. And we're here again about 51.2, 51, 51. Let's let it settle for a second. Okay. About 51 average. 52.8. So we got a little variation. So let's just go ahead and call that 52.5. We'll take the higher reading. Now let's go over here and let me line this up. Wow, look at that. Getting a much bigger difference in the middle material. 56, 55.9, 56, 56.3. Let's move to another section. 57, 56.8. A little variation here. 54.3, 54.5. Let's go back to the moonlit side one more time. 51.4, 51. So a lot colder on the metal material in the moonlit side. Looks like metal's probably the best material to use for this experiment.